I'm sorry, hello.
Hi, miss. I'm Officer Costa with Crystal Lake Police Department. We're just talking to you because we got a couple complaints that you might have been swerving on the road, or...
I don't think I was.
You don't think you were?
No.
Maybe it was a phone, you're on your phone or for something, or...
No, I'm just a bad driver. I failed my driving test twice.
Okay.
Okay.
Trust me, I'm trying to drive nice.
Hey, we need you to step out, okay? You're gonna come and talk with us over here, okay? All right, my dear. Here, put your butt right against there. This officer is gonna ask you some questions, okay?
So, have you been drinking at all tonight? No. You just maybe on your phone or something?
Maybe, yeah.
Where are you coming from?
Carrie, I'm on my music a lot.
Your music? Okay. Do you have your ID on you?
I can check.
I just need to look at where you're reaching, my dear. It's right there? Okay.
Oh,
all right, you good?
Yes, I'm sorry. I'm just stressed.
All right, why are you
Why are you stressed?
Because I've been pulled over like once before.
Okay, here, put your butt right back there, okay?
2004, how old does that make you?
That makes me 18.
18? Okay.
What's your first name?
Ellie.
Ellie? Hey, Ellie. Do you know what time it is right now? Don't without looking. Guess.
About like 6:30.
Okay, it's right now it's 7:15. Is there anything that you did today that you think, in terms of medications, alcohol, prescribed, not prescribed drugs, weed, anything like that, that you took today that you think would impair your driving?
No.
Okay. Have you had any alcoholic beverages today?
No. I have been sober for 6.5 months.
Okay. What about marijuana? Any marijuana today? Okay. When was the last time you smoked marijuana?
I'm sober from alcohol, but not marijuana. But marijuana was probably like yesterday or 2 days ago.
Yesterday or 2 days ago.
But I don't think it would impair my driving today.
Okay. All right. So since you've been at Target, you have not consumed any alcoholic beverages. Okay.
No. And they could check the cameras and see that I.
Okay.
Didn't.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there anything illegal that you may have in the car?
No.
Okay. So you have no alcohol in the car?
No.
Okay. No cannabis, weed in the car? No prescription medication not prescribed to you or any other drugs in the car?
What's it called? What's it called when you take things that are like extra vitamins for you?
Like multivitamins?
Kind of, but like
nothing.
If it's something like over the counter,
yeah, it's over the counter. They sell them at Target.
Yeah, that's not.
Supplements. That's what it's called.
Okay.
Yes, I've taken some supplements.
Again, our concern is we had 2 people call in saying that you were swerving on the road, and we just wanted to make sure you're okay to drive.
And stumbling.
That's why.
Okay.
That's why.
After they saw you get out of your car.
I promise you, I am.
So
You could literally call my boyfriend.
So I
tell you how clumsy I am.
So here's the deal, though. Okay, I appreciate it. All right, I appreciate what you're saying to me. However, we have a little bit of a problem. Okay, so I'm gonna give you an opportunity to be honest with me. Okay, because when you opened your door, I saw the bottle of vodka that's in your driver's side of your door.
I don't have any.
Okay. Well, I saw it.
Well,
hold on. I don't want you reaching in your car.
Well, you could open the door.
Okay, I'll open the door. You can stand with Officer Costa right here.
I'm just saying I don't have a bottle of vodka in my side door.
Okay, so you're okay with me opening and looking?
Yes.
Maybe she saw it wrong or something. Okay?
Yes, she can open and look at it. Okay.
So, okay. So now we have a problem. Okay.
What?
I have a really big problem.
What?
Okay. Now we're not cool.
Why?
Okay. And I'll explain to you why we're not cool. Because I saw it there.
I promise you it wasn't there.
Here, everything's on video, okay?
Okay.
So now what we're going to do is I'm going to have you stand by with these officers and I'm going to search your vehicle.
You don't have the warrant to do that.
Actually, I have probable cause because I observed alcohol.
You don't have warrant to do that.
Because I observed
I
alcohol.
have a right to not let you search my car.
Okay, so
I have a right to not let you search my car.
Unfortunately.
No, I have a right to not let you search my car.
We're not doing this.
I have a right to not let you search my car.
We're not doing this. Come on, let's go. Get back
You
here.
know my rights, and you know I have a right to not let you search my car.
Okay, listen.
There's a little weed in the center console. There's a pipe I see.
Yeah, and listen, they don't have a right to search my car.
Listen to me.
They don't. I've been pulled over before, and I know you don't have a right to search my car.
Chill out, okay?
I know
because I don't want to have to put you in handcuffs right now.
I know you don't have a right to search my car.
You need
It's
to
an
relax.
exception to the law. It's called a mobile conveyance.
You guys looked in my car before you had the right to search my car,
Listen.
and you saw the weed, and so you don't have a right to search my car.
It's also plain view. Yes.
You don't have a right to search my car.
I do.
No, you don't.
Okay, so
no,
Ellie,
you don't.
Ellie,
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 you
do
do. Ellie, we don't
not
wanna put you
touch
in
me like
handcuffs.
that.
I'm telling
Just-
you.
I'm
just
gonna tell
cooperate
you
with us
one more time, dear.
I'm
Don't
telling
touch
you
me
for a
like
fact
that.
you don't have a right
Okay.
to search my car.
So listen to me. This is gonna go one of two ways, okay? I would rather not put you in handcuffs. I don't want to put you in handcuffs, okay? I don't want to. If you're cooperative, we can figure this out and work through it.
I'm just
okay?
saying you can't search my car without a warrant
Well,
with seeing a bowl in my car. You can't search my car without a warrant.
So I know the law. Probably.
I know the law
Okay.
because I've looked it up, and I know you can't search my car without a warrant, so I'm not allowing you
Ellie,
to.
I'm giving you one of two choices.
I know you
Ellie,
can't search my car without a warrant.
Ellie,
You guys know
Ellie,
this.
Ellie, these are your choices. You can go stand by that squad car with these two gentlemen, okay? That's your first choice. If you do not want to do that, your second choice is I'm going to put you in handcuffs, okay? Which
You
do you
can't
choose?
search my car without a warrant.
Which do you choose?
You
I'm going to
can't-
give you. I'm not arguing with you. I'm
can't-
going to give you one opportunity right now.
You can't search my
What
car
is your-
without a warrant.
Ellie, it's all on Bodycam.
You can't search my car
Yes,
without a
we can.
warrant. No, you
Okay.
can't.
Turn around.
I
Turn around.
do not handcuff me.
Turn around.
We're not gonna do
Turn
this.
around.
We're not gonna do this.
Chill. Turn around.
Please don't handcuff me. I'll go with them to the car.
Ellie,
I'll go with them
Ellie,
to the car
Ellie,
right now.
Ellie.
Please don't handcuff me.
Ellie.
We already spoke about this. We gave you the option.
Don't handcuff me. I'll go to the car with them right now. Please.
You have my hand?
I'll go to the car with them right now. Please
Ellie.
don't handcuff
Ellie,
me.
we're not gonna do
Ellie.
this. We're not gonna do this.
Ellie, stop. You got it?
I can't be handcuffed. Please, I'm trying to walk to the
Ellie,
car. I can't
stop.
be handcuffed.
Stop. Okay, right now you're being placed under arrest, okay? For, well, we're gonna figure it out. It's at least, we'll go illegal consumption of alcohol by a minor right now, okay? Do you have... Stop. Stop.
Ellie,
Stop.
let's not do that.
Stop it. Stop it.
I can't be in handcuffs.
Go ahead.
I can't be in handcuffs.
Stop, Ellie.
Ellie, we're not doing this.
I can't
Ellie,
be
we're
in
not doing this. We're
handcuffs.
not doing this.
I said, take me out of
Stop.
the Take me out of the handcuffs.
Ellie, stop.
Take me out of the handcuffs, then.
Listen.
Take me out of the fucking handcuffs.
Ellie, stop.
Take me out of the handcuffs.
Stop it. Stop.
I got it. You're just making it worse for yourself, Ellie.
You
Come
know
on.
how much. Take them off. Take them
Listen
off.
to me. Take a deep breath. Listen to me.
Can you please take the
You,
handcuffs
you,
off? Do you
you
understand?
have to stop screaming.
I have a scar for
Stop
them.
screaming. Stop screaming.
Take a deep breath right now.
Stop talking.
Take a deep breath.
Stop talking.
Take a
okay?
deep breath.
Deep breath. Listen to me. You can't fight with us.
I won't. Just please take me
I
out of
cannot take you out of the handcuffs because of how out of control you're being right now.
I'll sit in this
If
car.
you chill out,
I'll sit in this car if you please take the handcuffs off.
well,
me.
I cannot have you unhandcuffed. It's my policy. I can get fired for it.
I will stay
Okay.
in this car the entire time.
Well, I'm gonna need you to sit in the car anyway, but I promise. Thank you.
I just.
Okay. Chill.
You don't know.
Listen,
I didn't even do anything wrong. It was.
Ellie.
Please take off. No, do not buckle
Okay,
me.
then I'm not gonna buckle.
Please take off the handcuffs because I can't with handcuffs. Please, please.
Chill. You have to chill out.
Please take off the handcuffs.
Okay.
Please.
Right now, I can't. You know why?
I'll sit here if you take off the handcuffs.
Okay.
If not, I'll run out.
Ellie, listen to me, okay? Because of everything that just happened, I need to ensure that you're safe. How about we try to do some breathing, okay?
He can buckle me up if you take off the handcuffs, please.
Sweetheart,
he can't buckle
sweetheart,
me
I
if not.
cannot.
He can't buckle me if not.
So listen, this is the deal. If you keep fighting like this, my sergeant's on his way here, and he has this device called the wrap, and it completely restrains you. If you can't calm yourself down the way we are now, I am going to have to put you in that, and I don't want to do that. So we have to stop.
We were on the driving complaint, swerving over the road, and then we stumbled across her. She entered her car, and there was
That car?
yes, vodka and a bowl in the.
You guys made contact with her when she came outside, right?
Correct.
Okay.
And then she was kind of combative with us.
Okay?
What if I didn't drive under the influence? What if I just drank it here?
Well,
I didn't drive under the
well,
influence. you could breathalyze me right now and it would come up
that's-
as more recent.
That's for, sweetheart, that's for you to fight in court.
Okay. I'll fight that.
and that's
I'll
okay.
say that I was gonna have someone come pick me up here.
That's fine.
I was calling my sister.
I'm okay with that. Sweetheart, you can fight that in court, but right now you're under arrest. So this is what I have to do. I have to take you to the police department.
Please don't.
And if I take you to the police department, that's when the cuffs are going to come off quicker.
So the quicker. No.
Okay. All right. Well, listen to me. If I put your seatbelt on, we can get you there in 5 minutes, and the handcuffs will come off. Sweetheart, we'll figure it all out. Okay? Can I put your seatbelt on now? Can we go? Can we go to get these handcuffs off you, Ellie?
I just want to drive home.
I know. Mr. Barillo is going to hand me this so I can put it on you.
Can you call her instead of my parents?
I will. Yes, I can. Yes, I'll call your sister for you.
Absolutely. Wait, can you get my phone from my car so I know what?
What else do you need? You need your phone? Do you need anything else from your car?
Just my phone.
Okay.
Please,
Yes. We're gonna get you to the police department so I can get these off.
Tell her to not tell my parents and
I can't wear handcuffs.
Ellie, the longer we fight, the longer you're gonna be in handcuffs. Like
just
this.
please take me to the station and call my sister.
If you can chill out, then good. That we're on our way.
Wait, just
Ellie, what was I talking about earlier? Take a deep breath, okay?
Ellie, I'm really trying to prevent you from being wrapped, but you're gonna put me in... You know your sister's number? Do you need your phone?
that's why they're getting my phone. I just said that, dumbass. Are you drunk? Fucking dumbass. You can't take my vapes though, because my parents buy those for me.
You can't take those from me. My parents buy those for me.
And I'm 18, and that used to be the age, so you can't take those from me.
You can't have it in the back seat. We'll just put it back in the car. How's that?
No, you're gonna take it then. You can't take it from me, or else you have to give me $27.
There was a vape in between.
Okay. So this is the deal. I need to take the vape.
No,
Okay.
you can't.
Ellie, come on.
You can't. Then
Listen,
give me
I'm-
$27 because I just paid all my. I paid.
I'm gonna put it in your car. Okay.
You're gonna put it in
I'm
my
gonna
car.
put it in your car right now. Okay.
Can I hit it first?
No, you cannot.
I'm really stressed.
Then you can't take it. Don't
here.
take it. Don't take
You
it.
have-
I need it first.
But you are just playing games, girl.
No, I just want my
are.
nicotine.
Okay. Well, you can have it. I told you I'm gonna leave it in your car because you're right. It's not illegal to possess, but
My parents bought it for me. They're 21. They can buy it, and I can have it. I just want to hit it before it's gone from me for 5 hours.
No, Jesus.
Can you please put it in my car? That's what she said.
No, because I told you not to hit it.
What? She told me it was good.
Yeah, but she also told you
told
not
me
to
it was
hit it.
gonna go in my car. Please put it in my car. I just paid $27 for that, and I'm broke as hell, and I need that. Please put it in my car. Please. It's
Take a deep breath.
what's in your pants right here? Is it just your? Don't reach. Do not reach. Oh, okay. We have a retail theft.
No.
We're gonna pull her out, and she's gonna search her completely. And if we have to put her back in the car and put her in the rack, that's what we're gonna do.
Okay.
Get her out, search.
Yep.
please.
Ellie, if you fight, I'm gonna put you in the
I
rack.
don't know what you're reaching for. Stop reaching for
I'm not
things in your
reaching for anything.
Ellie, what I'm gonna do is a little bit more of a thorough search, just like.
You can't touch me. I give you not
Stop
permission
yelling.
to
Stop
touch
yelling.
me.
Stop
Ellie,
I don't
Ellie,
give you
Ellie.
permission to touch me. I don't give you permission to touch me. I don't give you permission to touch
Ellie.
me. I don't give you permission to touch me. Just because you're out.
For yourself. You're just making it worse for yourself, Ellie.
Out. Just because you're with the law does not mean you can touch
making it
me
worse for yourself.
without consent.
You're just making it
You
worse for yourself.
can't touch me without consent! Ow! You can't touch me without consent! You can't touch me without consent!
Okay, you guys hold on to her.
I don't want men touching me without consent! Ah!
You lay her in there.
Ah! Stop touching me!
Wrap her feet right
You
now.
guys are old men! Stop!
Here, come here.
Stop touching me! Stop!
Okay, I got.
Keep touching me!
Hey, listen. You have to stop, Ellie.
Stop fighting. Stop fighting.
Stop fighting.
Ellie, stop fighting.
What do you do for Ellie? Ellie, you have to stop. Ellie, you gotta take a deep breath. Ellie, stop fighting. You're only gonna work.
Let me should not be hurt by these fucking handcuffs! Blue lights matter, you guys fucking suck! You are hurting me!
Lower the buckle first.
You guys are abusing me! I'm gonna bring you all to fucking court! You asshole! I'm gonna bring... Ah!
Knee back, knee back.
Forward.
Knee in her back.
You fucker!
Ellie, if you continue to dig your nails into me,
I'm gonna dig them as deep as you're digging those fucking handcuffs into me, you dick! Fuck the cops, bro! I fucking hate all of you guys!
Ellie, are you injured?
Yes, my fucking wrist!
Okay.
Bitch! Fuck you!
Double check your
Ellie,
cuffs,
stop digging your fingernails into
You
my
fight
hands.
him, he can't check your cuffs.
They hurt! It hurts!
Hold on. Ellie! Ellie, stop! I'm trying to help you.
Trying to help.
I'm trying to
Let
help
go
you.
of it, it hurts!
You have to stop. You're pulling on it.
It hurts!
Okay, stop so we can fix it, okay?
Hey! Hey!
Okay.
I did that on purpose.
All right, just put her in.
I did that on purpose.
Really, you can just take her straight to county.
What the f? What?
We gotta lift her up, put her in.
What?
Hold on, wait, 1, 2, 3.
Dude, I'm gonna fucking bring you guys to court and do It hurts!
Stop fighting.
I'm not! It hurts! It hurts! It hurts! It hurts!
Ellie, what hurts?
My wrists and my stomach. And I told you this. I can't be in handcuffs. And I told you that.
Well, you have no
45 minutes ago. Just bring me to the regular police station and call my sister, or else I will cause a fit. Who has my vape? Who's gonna answer? Who has my vape? My boyfriend's gonna kill me. He's gonna break up with me. My boyfriend's gonna break up with me! Ah! Ah! Can my sister please bail me out for $100? Why are you guys answering? Why are you answering? Ah! Ah! I'm stuck! Help me! Help me, please! Ow! Help! Help! Help!
Hey, Ellie, we're almost there.
Don't hit your head so you don't fall again,
Just
okay?
please get me there.
That's what we're doing.
Yeah, we're right
Will
around
it take
the corner.
$100?
Stop.
Will it take
Sheesh.
Will it take $100? Can you please answer me?
Talk to me when you get there.
Talk
Will
to
it
me when
take
you get there.
$100 for my sister?
Don't do that again.
It hurts. Ah! Ah! Fuck you! Please let me out. Thank you. Please unbuckle this. I need to get out. I need to get out.
All right, we're gonna get you out, okay? I'm gonna put this on your head, okay? All right, hold on.
I can't breathe. I'm thirsty. Get this out of my mouth. Get this out of my mouth, please. Handcuffs off of me. Get this out of my mouth. Get the handcuffs off of me.
1, 2, 3.
You're not going to get anywhere like that.
You!
Okay?
I need to go home.
In the morning.
No, right now.
No. When you calm down, let me know and I'll get you booked in the process and I'll get you on the phone. But you have to show me that you're going to calm down and you're going to behave.
I need to go
Okay?
home.
You will in the morning.
No, I need you right
No.
now.
So Ellie,
I need you
calm
right
down.
now.
Ellie, calm down. When you calm down, let me know, okay? I'm here all night.
Ellie eventually provided a breath sample that indicated a blood alcohol concentration of 0.091. She was charged with driving under the influence, aggravated battery to a peace officer, resisting, obstructing, DUI with a blood alcohol concentration of 0.08 or more, illegal transportation or possession of alcohol, retail theft, and illegal possession of liquor by a person under 21 years old. She is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.